Hello everybody, how are you? Today I will show new releases product in beauty and personal care. Product number 1, D Lash Extension Kit 280 pieces. Individual lashes cluster. D Curl Eyelash Extension Kit 30D 40D 9 to 16 millimeter mix lash cluster with lash bond and seal and lash applicator tool for self application at home 30D plus 40D D to 9 to 16 mix kit. Product number 2, gel nail polish. Remover, professional gel remover for nails, gel nail remover with cuticle pusher and nail file buffer. Quick and easy remove gel polish in 2 to 3 minutes. No soaking or wrapping. Product number 3, ELF Halo Glow Contour Beauty 1 Liquid Contour 1 for a naturally sculpted look, buildable formula, vegan and cruelty free, light, medium. Product number 4, OP Nail Liquid OPX Barbie Limited Edition Collection 0.5 FL ounce OP Nail Liquid OPX Barbie Limited Edition Collection 0.5 FL ounce OP Nail Liquid OPX Barbie Limited Edition Collection 0.5 FL ounce. Product number 5, 8 pieces hair claw clips 5 square mat hair claw clips and 3 metal hair clips non-slip stronghold hair close clips for women girls. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscription button, press the bell icon and customer review. Check out the description to find the product links.